I'm Salah Ahmad, a physics instructor. Welcome to the first episode of Physics Made Easy. In this episode, I'll introduce to you SER, Salah's Erasers Rule. SER is an equivalent to the right-hand rule. Now, SER comes there to help you and make everything easier for you. And today I'll teach you how to do it and how can it help you having an easier time finding the directions for the force or magnetic field or velocity. So first thing, you will need a set of pencil erasers or pencil eraser cap. Alright, now these caps come in different colors, and having different colors is actually useful for us to differentiate between, so that each color is used to one component. Now what you will need here first, of course, because we're dealing with glue, put on some gloves or protection to your hands. First thing first, what you need to do is place two arrows opposite to each other. Okay, and put some glue on one of them. Alright, and then place them, keep them, hold them for a little while so that they stick together. And after that, just place your hand this way. So put the arrows on the paper and place your hand this way. Now, if you still remember, the palm would represent the positive coming out from, due to a positive charge. The force coming out from a positive charge, and the back of the hand will represent the force coming out from affecting a negative charge. So here, the thumb will represent the velocity, the four fingers would represent the magnetic field, the direction of the magnetic field. So placing your hand this way will give you an idea on how you should place the next two erasers. So one eraser is going to be vertically upward, and one eraser is going to be placed to the left according to the right hand rule that I'm using. So here I'm going to place one more eraser, on top of it so that it faces, or it's directed vertically upward. And then the last eraser, I'll just place it on the left side. Alright, and here you go. You got yourself a very nice tool that you could use for determining the direction of the magnetic field, velocity, and magnetic force. So here on this side, that's F positive. And you can write it just on this side and on the other side, and the back side as well. That's also F positive. The yellow eraser would represent F negative, which means if it's a negative charge, you're going to take this for the direction for the force. And again, also here, F negative. On the orange one, we're going to write here, this is for the velocity, or the electric current if we're dealing with a current carrying wire. And for the pink eraser, we're going to write, this is the magnetic field B, direction of the magnetic field. So now if you place your hand just to make a final checkup, place your hand, you see, my thumb is directing just like the orange eraser, that's V, and the four fingers which represent P, the palm represent the force if the charge is positive, and the back of the hand would represent the force if the charge is negative. And finally, the final step, you can just to make it a little bit stronger so that it doesn't like and finally just place some white glue on top on just around the sides. Just to make it stronger so it doesn't break down easily. And you have to leave it for about at least 20 minutes to dry.